Hi friends, this is Lokesh Babu. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. So today I am going to explain very important and interesting topic, that is pipes and cisterns. Pipes and cisterns. So this is very important in all competitive exams. So you can expect at least one or two questions from this topic in all type of competitive exams. Right? Let us start. See, the pipes. So pipe is which allows the liquid is pipes, and cistern is, let us suppose, a tank. So tank is or reservoir. So these are the example for the cisterns, right? Now, so let us suppose this is a tank or reservoir or cisterns, right? And let this is a pipe A, and let us suppose this is a pipe B. This is pipe A and this is pipe B. Now this A pipe will fills this tank with water, and B pipe empties the water from the tank. It means A fills, A pipe fills the tank with water and B empties the tank. So then A is called inlet, A is called inlet and B is called outlet, right? So inlet means a pipe which fills the tank, that is called inlet. Outlet is a pipe which empties the tank. Now let us suppose this A fills this tank in X hours and B empties this tank in Y hours. Understood? Let A fills this tank in X hours and B empties this tank in Y hours. Then the part filled by this A in 1 hour is 1 by X, right? Similarly, then the part emptied here, the part emptied by the pipe B in 1 hour is 1 by Y. Since it is emptying, so we will take a negative sign, that is minus 1 by Y. Okay. Now what is the time if A fills with X hours, B emptied in Y hours, and part filled by A is 1 by X and part emptied by B is 1 by Y, then what is the part filled by A and B? Then you can write 1 by X and 1 minus Y. So the part filled by A and B is 1 by X minus 1 by Y. This is if part filled by A is 1 by X and part emptied by B is minus 1 by Y, then the part filled by A and B is, that is combination A plus B, is 1 by X and 1 by Y, right? Let us see with example 1. Let us suppose, let A filled a tank in 36 hours. A filled this tank in 36 hours, right? And B filled this tank in 45 hours. B filled the tank 45 hours. Then by both A and B in fill the tank in how many times? It means how much time will be taken by A and B to fill the tank. How much time will taken by A and B to fill the tank? That is the question, right? How much time will be taken by the A and B to fill the tank? See here, let us suppose this is a tank. If A will take to fill the tank 36 hours and B will take 45 hours to fill this tank, right? Now how can you write? A can fill the tank in 36 hours. Therefore, part filled by A in 1 hour is 1 by 36. Very clear. Similarly, B can fill the tank in 45 hours. Therefore, the part filled by B in 1 hour is 1 by 45, right? Now the part filled by A and B in 1 hour equal to 1 by 36 plus 1 by 45, right? Because part filled by A is this, part filled by B is 1 by 45, then both combinedly can fill the tank. Then what is the part filled by A and B in 1 hour? So what is this? 36 and 45 LCM 9 5s are, right? 2 9s are 180. So 36 into 5, 36 into 5, 5 6 to 30, right, plus 45 into 4. So this is equal to 9 by 180. This is equal to 9 1s are 9, 9 20. So 1 by 20. So the part filled by A and B in 1 hour is 1 by 20. It means A and B can fill the tank in 20 hours. A can fill the tank in 20 hours. This is the solution. In this way you can solve the problems, right? For example, let us see one more problem. Second problem. If A can fill a tank in 10 hours, B can fill the tank in 12 hours, and C can empty the tank in 20 hours. What are given? A fills in 10 hours, B also fills in 12 hours, but C can empty the tank in 20 hours. Then what is the part filled by ABC? See here. Now I can write like this: A, B, C. See, A can fill in 10 hours, B can fill in 12 hours, C can empty it in 20 hours. Therefore, I can write minus 20. So I am telling in easy way. Then the part filled by A in 1 hour, the part filled by A in 1 hour is 1 by 10. Part filled by B in 1 hour is 1 by 12, and part emptied by C is in 1 hour is 1 by minus 1 by 20. So therefore, what you can write? Then the part filled by A, B, C is A plus B minus C, that equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. So what is this? 10, 12, 20 LCM, 2 5s are, 2 6s are, 2 10s are, 5 1s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Now 120 is LCM, 10 12 plus 12 10 minus 20 26 are, right? Now what is this? 10 minus 6 4 plus 12 16 by 120, right? Now 4 5s are, 4 30s are, 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are, so 1 by 6, right? So in the part filled by ABC is 1 by 6. It means A, B, C can fill the tank in 6 hours, right? 22 minus 6, 4 plus 12, 16 by this, then sorry, here what is this? 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 0. 1 by 30, and 2 2 is 4, and 2 15, the 2 by 15. 2 by 15. It means in 15 by 2 hours, the ABC can fill the tank, right? So in this way we can solve the problems from pipes and cisterns, right? I hope this will be useful for you. So thanks for watching, and for more updated videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.